ball? Can I have your ball? Have your ball? Okay.
I'm gonna watch them down
This is
here.
gonna be the excellent.
Highest.
Yeah.
Bam.
Woo! Look at her go!
Wow, that one really got away from her.
Yeah, but she's got it. Good girl.
My tummy wants cheesecake.
Careful, she might chase at you.
Mommy said cheesecake. I said cheesecake.
Melissa, don't throw it this way. Throw it like over there.
Woo!
Okay. Drop. Drop.
She won't drop it. Can I have that?
Love you, Lulu. Over here.
Look at it. And she comes over here.
Mom. Where's Mom?
She went inside.
Oh, okay. Ready, set, go. Melissa, this should be from my airplane show. This should. Or it should be like throwing.
Dog versus balls is what it should be called.
Yeah, dog versus balls.
Mom, I still want dishes.
Got it, junkie girl.
Okay, Melissa, you can go up there now. Oh, hi, Sarah.
Sarah, I'll do the talking,
Okay.
okay? This is ball. That is dog. And this is dog versus ball. Who will make it today? 3, 2, 1. Woo! And the dog is running. The dog has got it once again.
Round 1 completed.
Score, dog 1, ball 0.
This is perfect.
Dog wants ball, not human.
Oh, sorry. Ready, Lily? Are you ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Episode number 2.
Episode number 2. Yeah.
First advertisement.
Okay, advertisement done. This is ball. That is dog. And this is dog versus ball. And he goes! Oh, the dog makes a leap for it and the ball sits there. The dog sniffs and no, he runs. Score.
Long counter.
Score. Dog.
I know why Leela didn't pick it up, because there's poop over there. There's poop over there. When I want to grab a ball with poop.
Episode 3. This is ball. That is dog. And this is dog versus ball. Woo! He makes a leap for it. Oh, and he skitters in. Oh, the dog wins.
2 points for the dog, guys, and
Ball
1. Now let's do episode 4. Bye. Melissa, this is a good show for Mom.
Yeah, she'll ah! Ready? This is ball. That is dog. And this is dog versus ball.
Woo!
Boing.
Boing.
Oh, the dog is confused. Oh, he sees it. And I'm back. And 3 for dog, 1 for ball.
This is a crazy show. And guys, I want to tell you in the comments, well, not in the comments, that this is Lilu, this is Melissa, that's Sarah, and me holding the camera is Lily.
Okay.
This is for our mom only.
Advertisements, guys. There's an ad. Look at her. Look at Sarah.